So there is a rectangle. So let's take a rectangle first. This is a rectangle. This is 12 meters broad, 8 meters high. 12 meters broad, 8 meters high. And there is a triangle, isosceles triangle, which is 12 by 6 on top of it. So this is 12. This is 6. This is 6. So the total height of the whole combination becomes 8 plus 6, 14 meters. We have to calculate the thrust and the Kp. When it is filled up to a sounding of 15 meter. 14 meters is the height. We're talking about a sounding of 15 meter. That means there is a sounding pipe here, and that sounding pipe में पानी, ये वाटर सरफेस है, वो 1 मीटर है. So is the diagram okay with everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
All right. So this is our sounding of 15 meter. Sounding of 15 meter. ओके अब बारी आती है कुछ नाम देते हैं इनको. सो लेट्स कॉल दिस एज कील. सो पी क्यू आर, नहीं इसको पी नहीं देते, वो पी तो सेंटर ऑफ प्रेशर भी है. ठीक है, क्यू आर एस टी. Okay. Let the geometric center of the triangle alone be at this point. This is the geometric center of the triangle alone, calling it as G1. And the geometric center of the rectangle alone is at a point called G2. So G1T will be how much?
4.
2 by 3 of 6. So that means 4. Is everybody okay with it? Is everybody okay with it?
Yes, sir. 2 by 2.
This is 2 by 3 of 6. So ये 4 हो गया. 2 by 3 from apex, 1 by 3 from base. So अगर ये 4 है तो ये 2 है. So the distance of G1 to the water surface will be 5 meters. इसको एक नाम दे रहे हैं, इसको नाम दे रहे हैं D1. Similarly, tell me the value of D2.
9 meters.
Okay, let me repeat once again. So the D2 is again from the water surface, that is G2 to the water surface. So that will be 4 plus 6, 10 plus 1, 11. Is D2 okay with everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the geometric center of the rectangle alone. Let the geometric center of the combined shape be at a point somewhere here, calling it as G. Then by definition, G to water surface is known as D. G to water surface is known as D, which is what we have to find of the combined shape. G is the geometric center of the combined shape. Then P will be the center of pressure, which will lie below G. And P by definition is the distance, giving you the distance to the water surface, and that distance is called as
Z.
Z. That gives you the Z, and the distance P to keel gives you Kp. So my diagram is complete now. Now I have to find out the values. Diagram में कोई doubt है किसी को? Anybody has any doubt in the diagram? नहीं? Okay. So let me begin. So I'm starting off on the for the triangle QST. So ये triangular portion, area of the triangle. ठीक है? Is this okay?
Okay, sir.
All right. Moment of inertia of the triangle is BD cube by 36. This is about the G1. This is about G1. That means we are talking about this axis. ये एक्सिस की बात हो रही है. This is the axis, moment of inertia. So BD cube by 36. So B will be 12, D cube will be 6 cube divided by 36. 12 threes are. So 6 cubed by 3. Pranav, if you could just unshare your screen, please. Yeah, thanks.
72.
7,
72.
7, 2. M4. But I want moment of inertia about the water surface. So I of the triangle about water surface will be I of the triangle about G1 plus A D1 square. थ्योरम ऑफ पैरेलल एक्सिस लगा रहा हूं मैं. So 72 plus area of the triangle 36 into D1 is 5 square.
Nine seven two.
972 M4. यहां तक किसी को कोई डाउट? क्लियर है? ओके. अब मैं ट्रायंगल में आ रहा हूं. हाँ जी.
सर वो मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया अबाउट G1 सर D क्यूब या 6 सर कैसे सब्स्टिट्यूट किया, थोड़ा सर एक बार बताना. वो D क्यूब है ना सर, D क्यूब 6 कैसे लिखा सर हमने उधर?
भाई वो ट्रायंगल का जो कैपिटल डेल्टा था वो क्या था? कल किया था हमने. जो कैपिटल D was the height of the triangle. Height of the triangle is how much? 6. BD cube. B is QS. Delta is RT.
ओके ठीक है सर.
Any other doubt? Okay. अब मैं आ रहा हूं रेक्टेंगल में. For the rectangle, and I am now talking about this वाला rectangle, नीचे वाला. So tell me the area of the rectangle. That will be
96.
96.
now I of the rectangle about G2 will be equal to LB cube by 12. We are now talking about this axis. इस एक्सिस की बातें हो रही हैं जो G2 के थ्रू जा रही है. So 12 into 8 cube divided by 12.
512.
512.
512 M4. But I want moment of inertia about the water surface. So I of the rectangle about the water surface will be equal to 512 plus A D2 square. 512 plus 96. D2 is 11 square. अगेन थ्योरम ऑफ पैरेलल एक्सिस यूज कर रहा हूं और इस एक्सिस को शिफ्ट कर रहा हूं टू WS.
Sir, 12128.
12128.
1 2 1 2
8.
8. Therefore, I total about WS will be equal to I triangle about WS 972 plus I rectangle about WS 12128. So I total
13100.
1 3 1. हाँ जी. Any doubt so far? Any doubt so far?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now I'm interested in finding out D. To find D, I'll do that by taking moments. About which point should I take moments? About which points should I take moments? मुझे वही उसी पॉइंट के अबाउट मोमेंट्स लेने चाहिए जिसका मुझे जहां से मुझे ढूंढना है, आंसर चाहिए.
Sir, P.
नहीं,
सर
मुझे
जी जी
जी सर.
नहीं, मुझे
सर
मुझे
के
मुझे डी कहां से मेजर करना है? मुझे मुझे डी मेजर करना
Water
है
surface.
फ्रॉम वाटर सरफेस. So I'll take moments about water surface. Is that okay? I will take moments about water surface. इसके about moments लूंगा मैं. So area of the triangle into lever of the triangle from water surface D1 plus area of the rectangle into lever of the rectangle from water surface will give me area total into lever of the total shape from water surface. That is D. This is my formula for taking moments. Is this okay with everybody?
No sir.
Okay. So I'll put the values now. So 36, 81, D1 was 5 plus area of the rectangle 96 into 11 is equal to area total 96 plus 36
132.
132 into D. So calculate D.
7.114.
How much?
9.364.
9.364.
सबका सेम आ रहा है.
Yes sir, same आ रहा है.
Yeah, 9.364.
All right. So I've got the value. Let me now go to thrust. Thrust is depth into density into area. Depth is 9.364 into density क्या डेंसिटी थी क्वेश्चन में?
सी वाटर.
सी वाटर. So 1.025 into area total 132. So
1267.
1, 2, 6, 7. आगे
It's actually 1266 decimal 949. 1266 decimal 949.
So that's your first answer. Now we come to the second part of the question, that is find out the KP. Oh, sorry. So Z. Z is equal to IWS over ED. Now we are talking about for the full shape. So IWS total is 13,100 divided by area total 132 into D 9.364.
Sir, 10.598.
बाकी सबका भी सेम आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So Z is 10.598. Therefore, Kp will be sounding 15 minus Z.
Four decimal 402.
4.402.
This is our answer. तो एक हमारी थ्रस्ट हो गई, ये एक आंसर हो गया, और एक की केपी हो गई. ठीक है, इज दिस ओके? एनी डाउट्स एनीबडी? तो ये कॉम्प्लिकेटेड क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा लंबा हो जाता है बेसिकली दो शेप्स की वजह से. तो यू कैन हैव एनी टू शेप्स. यू कैन हैव यहाँ पे नीचे सेमी सर्कल, यू कुड हैव ट्रेपेजियम, मतलब कुछ भी हो सकता है. अगर ये साउंडिंग नीचे होती इधर, मतलब 14 से कम होती, तो ये अंडर वाटर शेप में ट्रेपेजियम आ जाता, तो ट्रेपेजियम का फॉर्मूला चलेगा. जो भी हम करेंगे विल बी डूइंग दैट. अभी हमने खाली दो फॉर्मूले किए हैं और कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ दोस टू कर लिए. अब वही सेम मेथड चलता रहेगा. ठीक है, इज दिस ओके विद एवरीबॉडी? किसी को कोई डाउट?
No, sir.
No, sir.
क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
All right. So now I want you to homework लिख लो. I want you to practice the questions from the book. So please do exercise 38. You can do all the questions up to question number 15. You can do all the questions now up to question number 15. मैंने आपको 14 नहीं कराया अभी. So you can do up to question number 13. Sorry, my mistake. नहीं, मैंने आपको ट्रेपीजियम भी नहीं कराया. So ये 12 was the toughest. So that means उससे पहले वाले you can do. You can do question number 1 to 11. And solved examples में I want you to do in solved examples, example 1, example 2, example 3, example 4, and example 5. Solved example 1 to 5, and the questions at the back, exercise 38, 1 to 11. Using these formulas, these two which we have done so far. ठीक है, is that okay? हो जाएगा questions?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So please practice them. Then tomorrow we will start with the other shapes, the balance 3 shapes remaining. That is circle, semicircle, and trapezium. ये 3 shapes रह गई हैं. Okay.